What would happen if the moon suddenly disappeared? Let's say that one quiet evening, you walk outside and notice something strange. The sky is clear, the stars are twinkling, but the moon is gone, not hidden behind clouds or waiting to rise, just gone, like someone pressed delete on a celestial keyboard. What happens next? At first, not much. That might sound surprising, but Earth wouldn't immediately fall apart. People would notice, of course, especially astronomers. The tides would be the first real clue that something had changed. You see, the moon's gravity is what pulls on the oceans and causes the tides to rise and fall. Without it, we'd still have tides thanks to the sun, but they'd be much weaker, only about a third as strong. Coastal ecosystems that rely on strong tidal cycles would be thrown into chaos. Animals like crabs, sea turtles, and certain birds time their activities with the lunar rhythms. Suddenly, their internal clocks would be useless. Then we'd start to feel the moon's absence in subtler, stranger ways. For one, Earth's tilt would begin to wobble. Right now, our planet spins at a 23.5-degree angle, which gives us seasons. But the moon acts like a stabilizer, keeping that tilt steady over long periods of time. Without it, the Earth's axis could drift wildly over millions of years, tilting more, then less, then more again. That would mean severe climate shifts, from scorching tropics to frozen wastelands and back again. Seasons might one day vanish entirely or become extreme and unpredictable. Nights would get darker, painfully darker. The moon reflects sunlight and lights up the night sky far more than we realize. Without it, stargazing would improve dramatically, but the nights would feel empty, especially in rural areas. Many nocturnal animals rely on moonlight to navigate, hunt, or avoid predators. They'd struggle to adapt, and some species might even go extinct. But the moon doesn't just affect wildlife, it affects us too. Humans have tracked the moon for thousands of years. Entire calendars were built around its cycles. Cultures, myths, and religions were shaped by its glow. Its sudden disappearance would shake something deep in our collective consciousness. It would be a global mystery and a global mourning. Meanwhile, Earth's rotation might slowly start to change. The moon creates tidal friction, which actually acts like a brake on our spinning planet. Right now, Earth's days are getting slightly longer every century, thanks to this effect. Without the moon, that process would halt. Days would stop lengthening, and over vast stretches of time, Earth's spin might even speed up again. That could mean shorter days and faster winds. It might take millions of years to really notice, but the change would be real. And what about the moon itself? Where did it go? If it simply vanished, that would break all the laws of physics we know. Conservation of mass, momentum, all out the window. A disappearing moon suggests something far stranger is going on. Was it teleported, swallowed by a black hole? Did aliens finally come for their forgotten satellite? Let's entertain the idea that the moon didn't just vanish but was destroyed, blown apart or shattered. That would be bad. We'd suddenly find ourselves in a ring of lunar debris. Some chunks would fall to Earth as deadly meteors. Others would remain in orbit, forming a glowing band across the sky, like Saturn's rings but made of rock and dust and slowly decaying. These fragments would occasionally fall to Earth, burning up or slamming into the surface with devastating force. Of course, we're lucky that the moon is incredibly stable. It's not going anywhere. But imagining its disappearance helps us appreciate just how important it really is. Not just as a beautiful light in the sky, but as a guardian, a stabilizer, a timekeeper, and a silent partner in Earth's story.